Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I made some stuff that I had seen on Amazon and I was like, that is too expensive for the stuff that I see. So I made some dupes. I'm standing outside my shoe shed right now. I just took some of my crafting supplies in there, but I was really pleased with the way everything turned out today. I think it looked really beautiful. He's mowing the grass. Uh-oh! Let me help you up. So his little lawnmower blows bubbles out, and he ate a while ago and he got food all over him, so he's wearing his play clothes. So anyway, the stuff that I made today, I really like it, and I hope you guys really like it, and I hope it gives you some inspiration to make you something similar, or to just give you inspiration to just make something totally different, just whatever. But let me find my little helper here. Alright, good job. So yeah, I'm glad that you are watching my channel, and if you're new and you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. I upload at least 2 videos a week, or I try my best to. Hopefully I will get a schedule one day, but as for right now, it's just whenever I get time. So let's just get right into the video. Here's my first project. It's just Amazon window frames that were $35, and I made only one of them. I mean, you can make 2, but I only made one for just $1. And I already had the popsicle sticks on hand, so I really only spent $1 to make this. After I painted it and ripped the canvas apart off and everything, I wanted my popsicle stick to be in the center of it instead of like stuck to the back where it would be flush. I wanted it to be made like it was inside of it. So I just cut it to where it would snugly fit down in there, and I worked it down in there where I needed it, and then I just cut the other pieces. But I did that because I wanted it to be inside of the frame and not on. I seen these on Amazon for $26 and I thought, no, I can make that for $1. So I got this board from Walmart for 97 cents. And I just peeled that sticker off, and when you do that, be careful because it pulls up a bunch of the wood and you have to sand it. So I did that, and then I painted it white. And yes, you can see my little helper back there in his seat, eating his soup. He made an absolute mess with that soup. It was everywhere. So anyway, I put the little dots on there where I thought they should go so that my husband could cut the holes out. And you see now that Logan is back there with no shirt on because he dumped soup everywhere. And we opted for chicken nuggets as usual. But anyway, back to the craft. I had to put tape on the jute just to get it to go through the holes after they were put on the board. For this one, I got it from the Dollar General. It was a Mother's Day piece, and I just painted it because I didn't really see anything like this. I just something I wanted to make. I painted it white on the inside and the left side black. I didn't even paint the back of it because I figured you're not going to see the back of it, so why care? And after you'll see here in just a second, I just distressed it a little bit and I put the sunflower in there, and I thought it turned out really good. this is my final result.